What's good, y'all? It's Cass. Welcome to my channel. Today, you guys, we are shooting a music video for my single Gold. So excited. I wrote this song a while ago. I actually wrote it before my birthday, and it's about turning 25 and just that quarter life crisis that I've been going through building up to 25. So hopefully 25-year-olds or people turning 25 can relate. But yeah, and it's called Gold because gold is my favorite color, and it was my golden birthday this year because I turned 25 on the 25th. And yes, and there's lots of just remnants of gold throughout my life, like golden lion of the Leo and all that beautiful stuff. So that's what we're doing today. While I'm eating, you guys, I'm just writing down every single shot that I need to get in order so that it's easier for me. Right now it's kind of spread out. I know what shots I need for the music video, but then there's shots I need for YouTube, and there's shots I need for TikTok, and there's shots I need for Instagram. So I'm writing that all down in order so I can just check it off, make sure I'm getting all shots for all content, for all platforms, etc. And yeah, but y'all want to see the fun stuff, so let's get it. Alright, y'all, so now I'm going to hop on TikTok, see if I can find transitions and trends to shoot while I'm shooting. Oh, look, first video is a transition. In all honesty, you guys, I would have done this before, not on the shoot day. I would have done it before the shoot day, but I didn't decide I was going to officially do TikTok content till last night, so that's why we are doing this. Yay. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and build the set for the first scene that I'm shooting, which is the jungle scene. So this is the main prop for the scene. Does anyone know how to get TikTok not to block you for using fake weapons? Because I'm having an issue with that. So hey y'all, so we're going to do wardrobe for the first scene. I was gonna wear green because the scene I'm like hunting, but since we're doing green screen, I can't wear green because I'm just gonna take my body out, and your girl ain't masking or rotoscoping or any of that. So I'm thinking cheetah. I'm gonna figure something out because I don't really want to wear it as a swimsuit necessarily. So, but it's really cute. It's from Rich, I think it was called. But I don't think she sells clothes anymore. It's a very exclusive piece. And it came with a mask too because it was during the pandemic. Figure it out as we go. So we're on to hair and makeup. Got these nails. I'm a lonely girl and you can't seem to find a trigger. You have this gold glitter eyeliner. I feel like I was waiting for this moment to create this gold video because I just have so many like gold things, like all my jewelry is gold. It's bound to happen, you know? I might use sunglasses as like a headband.
97, baby, thinking too much lately about what lies ahead and all this messed up crazy.
So now I transform into a performer. So I'm gonna set up the lights to get the best lighting, and then we shoot.
Time is on my side with the time to be alive. Your girl is 25 and living just to thrive.
Well, you guys, that was a wrap to scene 1. All right, y'all, so I have on look number 2. Look at this. I'm supposed to be wearing this body chain. Ooh, okay, let's do the bottom part. So my favorite part of this look, these babies. Now your skin shine like gold.
I'ma just keep moving like I know what I'm doing. Move toward what I'm pursuing, cause something is a shoe.
I didn't film the end part because my top was literally trying to escape me. So I used this little filter, this half filter from Cinepacks, and literally I stood in front of the camera with one hand and did this the whole time to create this really cool effect, and then I used this hand as like the and I looked at the lens when I remembered to. So that's all you guys missed. But now we're going to shoot, photo shoot, TikTok, social media content, and move on to the last look. I'm gonna move my chair in here, create a throne, and we're shooting the throne scene.
I'ma just keep dreaming, trying to find my meaning and all them other reasons to be and just keep being power drive.
Alright, y'all, it is a wrap to today's shoot. I just have the intro, outro tomorrow. I'm like sweating so much, but I'm basically going to clean up, dump the footage, and yeah, this is exciting. This was fun. Can't wait to see it.